Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to import history, bookmarks, and passwords into the Opera web browser that are installed on your computer. So without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up the Opera browser, and then dito sa top left corner, and then select mo lang dito yung Opera browser logo, so click mo lang yan. And then next ay kailangan mo lang select dito yung settings. And then dito sa settings, scroll down at hanapin natin yung synchronizations. Okay, so scroll down tayo and then ito na siya. Okay, so synchronize browsing data with Opera account. Ang next ay dito lang sa import bookmarks and settings. So i-click mo lang ito. And then papapit ito mga kaibigan ang import bookmarks and settings. And then next step. So, dito naman ay click mo lang tong arrow na to. Nandito yung mga default browser natin kung saan natin i-import yung bookmarks, passwords, and then yung history. Okay? So, select ka lang dito sa mga default na browser dito. And then, kapag nakapag-select ka na dyan, dito naman ay select items to import. Okay? So, select ka lang din dito kung anong gusto mong import. So, let's say browsing history, favorites, bookmarks, save passwords, and copies. So, check mo tong box. Kung ayaw naman, uncheck or check mo lang siya ganyan. And then next ay, click mo lang to import. So, click mo lang yan. Ayan. So, import bookmarks and settings are ready mga kaibigan. And then click mo lang tong done. Alright. So, ganoon lang po kasimple kung paano tayo mag-import ng passwords, bookmarks, and history in Opera browser. Okay. So, please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.